Okay, guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to go over my some tradable opportunities that I have on the chart this week. Just basic simple analysis, dead simple analysis, not too much moving past to it. I have a limit on the set here. There's a lot right there. I missed this entry there. The market moved pretty quickly to this zone, so I'm going to be waiting for the market to test to trigger me in here. I have a sell limit order there. I just go to my TP. Most of the time I get out of a trade almost 50% of the stop loss. So I rarely take my full stop loss. So that's why I have basically have a one-to-one risk to reward because trading is about consistency. So and it's more of a psychological game than a technical game. So if I can get enough profit over time, it totally works for me. And that's what I've been using for quite a while now. So most people would love to hold their TP to this zone, but you don't know if it's going to get there. But it's so very predictable to get a one-to-one risk to reward straight ahead. And of course, I think as you win more than you lose, you're Gucci. And I really can't remember the last time I took a full stop loss on this. So I'm totally fine. And USDC CHF, basically, we're once in the uptrend, but right after this move here right now, the market moves in waves, basically have this break here, with denotes the market should be coming down. I took a sell right there to the zone. I think I missed this move here to this zone here, this support there. But I'm currently on this trade here, still holding it. Still holding it. So I have a exit criteria for my trades, whereby I'm able to leave the trade less than the amount I plan to actually lose. That is spoken about in some couple of videos later on. So I believe, yes, this is the USDC CHF trade here, shared on my private Discord channel with my students. Okay, let's continue on that. The card is obviously an uptrend, and I've been able to draw out this zone right there. So I'm expecting the market to test this zone and then give me a sign of possible push to the upside for me to jump in. The card, same thing here, looking for opportunity for buys at that zone. These are former trades taken on this pair, basically. I also have a specific entry criteria before I jump in. I just don't buy or sell at support and resistance levels. I wait for my entry criteria before doing that. Basically, some confluences I use. So market here is on the downtrend. Yes, still on the downtrend until this high here is taken out. So basically, looking to sell at this zone. Back to this zone. I'm basically going to have my TPs at this zone because there's a possibility that the market can push up from here. So we don't know that yet. So I'll take my TP right there. And then if that doesn't work out and maybe the market cracks above like this, I'm going to be looking for buys to continue the move upward. GU. I took a buy on GU on Friday, right after the NFP. The entries was at after this rejection right there. Let me check. I think I shared it with this. Okay. That's the Yeah, this is it. GPUSD shared it here. I hesitated at that point because the momentum was already depleting because it's on Friday, so I was not expecting too much of a move. Again, I think it should be around evening on Friday, GMT. So it's a good buy right there. Basically, I still see a new uptrend trying to establish right here. I'm basically not going to be buying or selling yet. And at that zone, I'm not going to be doing anything at that zone. Except the market comes here, I'm going to be buying. And if the market doesn't, then we'll be expecting the market to push up to the zone, test this, and then we see opportunity for buys at that zone. It was USD. Also the same thing on the uptrend. It's saying if the market can trace back to this support level, we'll be looking for opportunity for buys. You see how simple and straightforward my analysis is, and I basically use just one color for my candles so that I'll be able to pinpoint my zone so that I don't see support levels at really shady areas. Another thing is you have to know how to draw you have to know how to draw key zones, your key support and resistance levels. This doing support and resistance level, yes, not going to be too good because you know that's not you have to zoom out to see where those zones are. You don't need to zoom in too far. So let's keep going. Also, an uptrend on NU here. There was a buy opportunity I missed here. Also, but if I'm going to be on EU and GU buys, I should not be in NU buys because basically whatever happens to those pairs will happen to every other one. So I don't want to be in, you know, too many losses, too many risks at once. If I'm losing 1% on GU, 1% on AU and NU, eventually that's going to be 3% risk on USD pairs, and I don't want to do that. So card JPY as well. Yeah, I'm looking for opportunity to sell if market traces back to this zone. Sell here. GBP card is still on the uptrend. This is either my market cracks this level, taps this, then you see everything I'm doing is just basically support and resistance. And also I'm always following the trend. Do not go against the trend. Trend is your friend. If the market traces back to this place, I'm also going to be looking for buys, possibly. But except, can I consider this a zone? Uh, I really don't like that zone. I'm not going to be considering it a zone. But if market takes out this low right here, comes to this place, I'm going to be much more patient to find sell opportunities right there. Because like I said initially, the market moves in waves. So there's just a high possibility that the market from the high, from the low, from another high, low, the high. So market comes here and cracks this. That means it's taking out this low here. And it looks like it's going to be forming a downtrend. So I'm going to be much more patient for jumping into this trade. Still on the uptrend here. I believe I took a buy. I closed ADCHF today. Yeah, perfect. Here it is. Close it here today. Simple, straightforward analysis right there. Sorry about that. So yeah, we're looking for buys here as well. The market retraces back down. Also buys here. Have a newly established uptrend. CHF looks like an uptrend still. Going to be patient to see how the markets react at this zone. When market does nothing there, I'm going to wait for a break and retest above this zone. Basically, what I just did is break and retest of support and resistance levels. Simple as that. And I have a very specific trade criteria I use and not to jump into trades. So I don't be in trades that are not that worth it. Imagine you buying at this zone, you're going to be going against the trend and you're going to be losing money. So hence this one you have to always follow the trend. Market can tap here, but looking for opportunity to sell back down. Also, we have opportunity here to crack that zone. So what else? Yes, we're expecting the market to jump here for buys uptrend. And if that doesn't happen, we expect the market to crack or take out this resistance level for me to look for opportunities for buys. The GPY, same thing on the uptrend. This didn't come deep into the zone, hence the reason why I didn't take this trade. You truly want your market to come to the zone and show you adequate rejection. And you don't want something that will go too deep into the zone right here and the candle closes right here and try to buy from this place. That makes no sense. But of course, with experience, you know what works and what doesn't. Taking a trade like this makes absolutely no sense. You want something that shows reaction, adequate reaction for you to buy in the direction of where the market is heading to. GG as well, looking like a new found uptrend is forming there. The card, the CHF rather. Yeah, it looks like it has a long way to go here. But let's see how the market reacts and get in there. Well, it looks like an uptrend. And the JPY also a newly formed uptrend here. I was hoping the market could, reach this zone for me to buy. But apparently it has other plans. It is what it is. I believe you should jump into the chart, and if you don't see what is there, you should just leave. You should just analyze the chart and check the chart. Within few seconds, you know if you're buying or selling. You either win or lose anyways. Market that goes up or down anyway. So thinking too much on it is not going to change the possibility of what the market is going to do. So with experience and intuition, you know exactly what to do. The market is still in an uptrend here. Basically, things looks like the former PI checked the other time. If this level above can be cracked, maybe I can buy. Maybe I can buy right there to continue the momentum. And if that doesn't happen, maybe the market retraces to this level. Maybe I'm going to look for opportunity for buys when the opportunity produces itself. Okay, this is your CHF. The plan was for you to get to this zone, and I'm looking for buys. Like I said, the market moves in waves. It's low, it's a high there, it's a low, it's not that high. So basically, looking for opportunity for buys here to continue the move upward. But if that doesn't happen, see how the markets react on cracking this level. But for now, I'm going to leave that level not drawn out because I don't think it's that significant for me to see as a zone. So downtrend on EUR/NZ, they're trying to form. What am I waiting for? It's simple, waiting for the market to crack this zone and then look for opportunity for sales. Simple as that. And if that fails, wait for the market to crack above this, crack above this resistance here. We're going to look for buys, break and retest. I've realized with my experience that just doing less work in trading just gives you much of the results. Oftentimes, 20% of your winning trades is going to give you 80% of most of your profit. And most of your loss, you're going to take of losses, of course, as well as wins, but you must find a way to, win more than you lose. If you're planning to risk $500 per trade, find a way out you could lose 250 instead. When the market starts going against you, know how to get out of your losing trade early and know how to hold your winning trades to your TP or your target. So this looks like it's a large ranging zone right there. I need the market that is trending. So basically, we're looking for the market to get to this zone, choose some reaction right there. Then maybe we can look for opportunity for buys. And if that fails, we have this level drawn already. Overall, keep waiting. Yeah, it looks like a downtrend, pretty clear. So waiting for either the market to get to this resistance for sales or crack this support and turn into resistance. Let me look for opportunity for sales. I'm not going against the trend. That's basically all. This is not really established yet. So that basically all. I just use these plain colors because it helps me to see exactly where those zones are. It's very important. I think you see that. I'm looking at this, it just looks so busy and so like you can literally be looking for zones here, which would have been so wrong. For the zones here because you're seeing green candles and red candles reacting with each other and stuff. But imagine it's just one candle. That is exactly what I try to do. just one color rather. Imagine it's just one color. And you could, zoom out and see exactly what those zones are. It makes your analysis and trades quite easy. This is my private Discord channel where my students are. Where I teach them how to trade and how to make money for the financial market. So look at that. How easy that is. This was shared as well. Yeah, looking for sales right there. I think that's USD JPY. I think I have an alert on that. Yeah, this is also shared. So basically it's just, easy, simple analysis. Shouldn't be that complicated when it comes to trading. So these are the my watch list for this week. These are the trades I'm going to be looking forward to jump into. Today is Monday. Market is just, setting up. I'm on sales on this. I have an alert on this. Hopefully it gets here to trigger me in one more time is going to be the session rollover. So I'm still going to be holding. As I have a kind of a threshold. So basically I'm fine holding through the spreads increase when the spread goes crazy. So that's basically fine. So keep everything simple when it comes to trading. It helps a lot. You don't have to have too much moving parts all along. I've traded every type of strategy you can ever think about. I have, and every time I come back to support and resistance, every time, every time. Do other strategies, do other strategy types work? Of course they do, but you have to choose the one that works for you. Trading is a very personal game. It's you and the market, nothing more. So you have to keep backtesting, understand what works for you and what doesn't, and always keep this simple. If you cannot write in 2, 3 lines what your trading strategies or your trading system is, then there's a problem already. If you can't replicate also your trading system, that's another problem as well. Your trading system must be simple and easy to replicate, easy to replicate. Trading, of course, you understand that trading is not easy, but it is simple. Trading is not easy, but it's simple. It is easy to teach you guys how to use the TradingView apps and stuff, but it is simple to teach you guys how to use the TradingView stuff and the app MT5 and CTrader, but it's not easy in terms of years of experience you need and intuition. And most of this thing comes by just doing trading and just doing how this trading game work and just understand exactly how the market works. And it comes with experience and intuition. I'll see you guys in the next couple of videos. Thank you very much. If this video gives you value, you can give me a like or subscribe. It's going to help the algorithm and I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next couple of videos.